Housecall Pro doesn't use a simple flat price for everyone, because the cost changes based on the plan level, number of users, and which features a business needs. By the end, you'll understand how Housecall Pro pricing works, what actually drives the cost up, and how to estimate what you would realistically pay before signing up. Housecall Pro is a field service software built for contractors, which means pricing is structured around business tools like scheduling, invoicing, dispatching, and customer management. Instead of paying for one fixed feature, you're paying for access to a bundle of operational tools that scale with your business size. Now explain what affects pricing. The biggest factor in cost is the plan tier, because different tiers unlock different levels of automation, reporting, and team management features. The second factor is team size, since adding more users usually increases the monthly cost. Now, explain what you're actually paying for. You're not just paying for scheduling software. You're paying for a system that handles job booking, customer communication, payments, and workflow automation in one platform. That matters because replacing multiple tools with one system can reduce overall software stacking, even if the monthly price looks higher at first. Now explain who uses it. Housecall Pro is mainly used by service businesses like plumbing, HVAC, electrical work, and cleaning services that rely on scheduling jobs and managing field teams. Now explain hidden cost confusion. A lot of confusion comes from only looking at the base plan price, without factoring in add-ons, extra users, or upgraded features that larger teams usually need. Now, explain decision logic. The real way to evaluate Housecall Pro pricing is not how cheap is it, but how many separate tools it replaces in your business workflow. Now explain misunderstanding. A common misunderstanding is thinking all service software is priced the same way, but most field service platforms scale pricing based on usage and business complexity. Now simplify it. Housecall Pro pricing is tied to business size and feature needs, not a single fixed monthly cost that applies to everyone. Here's the simple breakdown. Smaller teams usually only need basic scheduling and invoicing tools, while larger teams tend to pay more because they require automation, reporting, and multi-user coordination features. Do this next. List the tools you currently use for scheduling, invoicing, and customer management. Then compare that to what Housecall Pro offers in one system. If one platform replaces multiple tools, the total cost becomes easier to justify even if the monthly subscription is higher.